Hey there. How about this? Hitting my wall at night. This. Hitting my wall at night. This. Hitting my wall at night. Woo! This. Hitting my wall at night. Basically, I live, like my bedroom is the room next to the chapter room. So we have karaoke, we have all kinds of games. We even had baseball in our window in summer. And then I just take out my babushka costume. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you mind not doing it for a moment? Excuse me, it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Why don't you stop it? Why don't you stop it right now? How about you stop it right now? Or I call the police.